Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. The question for today reads, if y is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 18 is the equation of the curve C1, write the equation of C1 in the form y is equal to ax minus b squared plus c. So that means we are going to complete the square. All right. Now, to complete the square, we must make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So we are going to factor out this 3. So we are going to have y is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 6. All right. The next thing we are going to look for b over 2a squared. And we are going to get our b in this case, it will be minus 4. So this is squared divided by 2a. Our a, you remember, is 1. So it's divided by 2. We square that and we are going to get 4. Now we're going to rewrite this. We're going to say y is equal to 3x squared minus 4x. Now at this point, we are going to add this 4. We add it in there and subtract it at the same time. So I want you to be very careful when doing that. I want you to add the 4 and then subtract it. That means you are going to attach the positive 4 to that. And the other one will go with plus 6. All right? So that eventually you are going to enclose the brackets like that. So this 4 belongs here, the positive one. The negative should go with that other constant. All right. Now we are going to factorize what we have in there and simplify what is there. So we're going to have y is equal to 3. Now we can factorize this by the method of inspection. We are going to say x on that, and we can simplify that. You get 2. And the factors here, they are going to be minus 2, minus 2. That means you are going to have y is equal to 3x minus 2. You square that, you add that 2. Then it's time for us to remove the brackets. We are going to say y is equal to 3x minus 2 squared. And then you multiply this and that, you are going to get 6. Now we've managed to write that in this form. We've managed to complete the square. Now the final question is for us to find the turning point of C1 of that curve. Now to find the turning point of that curve, I'll just say turning point, you are going to change the sign of that. And that will be the value of x in that coordinate. All right. So when there's a minus 2, you are going to put a positive 2. If there was a plus, you are going to put a negative. All right. So you're going to consider only this part. And then for the y, you don't do anything. You just take this part, this c. That will be 6. And we have come to the end of this question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.